What's the meaning of burgher? Burgher. Burgher.
Burgher. Burgher. The term burgher originated in medieval times and referred to a citizen of a town or city. In modern usage, it generally refers to a member of the urban middle class, often emphasizing their role in commerce and industry. The term is particularly associated with the history of the Netherlands and Germany, where burghers played an important role in the development of cities and trade. Over time, the term has been adopted in various other contexts, including politics and social theory, where it is used to describe a specific type of citizen or social class. Overall, the term burgher reflects the complex interplay between urbanization, economic development, and social stratification throughout history.